Hey, Radiance here. Let's make bulletproof model component with React, TypeScript and styled components. Here's how it looks in the production at increaser.org. Also, you can find both demo and source code in the description. The component receives quite a few properties to make Modal versatile for different situations. The first one is the render content. We use it instead of children to know if the Modal is in a full screen mode. It could be helpful when we want to adjust UI for mobile screens. Usually we place Modal at the center, but there are situations when we don't want the pop-up to jump on content size change, for example on the onboarding flow. Then we have props for the title and its placement. Sometimes we show it in the center. Then we have properties for width and padding. For example, in the sign-up Modal, we set the padding to 0 to make the image fill the whole right side. To allow changing styles of the Modal container, we accept the class name prop. Finally, we have a callback for closing the Modal and a boolean value to hide the close button. It's handy for a situation where user action is required to continue using the app. We render Modal at the last children in the body to prevent inheritance of parent styles by using the body portal component that in turn leverages a useBody hook. To bring user attention to the Modal, we blur the background with the screen cover component. It accepts the on-click callback, so we can close the Modal by clicking outside. Beside the close button, we can also exit the Modal by pressing the escape on the keyboard. We don't want to let the focus outside of the Modal when it's open. To achieve that, we use the focus drop library to disable focus outside its content. Modal's container takes width, placement and is full width flag. Here we set up the background, size and position. We want to show the scroll only for the content and keep the title with the close button fixed on top. To achieve that, we set overflow Y out on content and set padding separately to have enough space between content and scroll. When there is not enough free space between Modal and screen edges, we make it full screen. That's all. Stay productive.